offers a complete kitchen and bath remodeling experience at competitive pricing, giving you the dream team of skilled installers and craftsmen you'll be confident knowing who is working in your home. Our designers guide you through every detail of your project using only brands and products that deliver outstanding results, giving you the quality you expect and deserve, making your new kitchen or bath functional and beautiful for many years to come. Call us for a free in-home consultation today.